card, breadboard, Node MCU board, USB type board cable, and an LCD module with I2C converter. Node MCU board is connected with the breadboard, and sound sensor and Node MCU boards are connected with connecting wires. And this Node MCU board is connected with the LCD module. Ground is connected with ground, and VCC is connected with VN, and SDA is connected with D2, and SCL is connected with D1. Node MCU board is connected with laptop through USB type port cable. Once the cable is connected, the code has been uploaded. After the code is uploaded, the decibels of the sound and the level of the sound is monitored in the display.